Welcome again, everyone. Jerry's Old Guy Review, and a bit of a weird one. So, the big storm I was supposed to have this weekend, it didn't show up. Well, it didn't show up as rain. It showed up as days and days of almost 40-degree weather and a lot of rain. Today is the last day of said almost 40-degree weather, and it's going to get cold for the next week. So we're basically screwed. Everything's covered with ice. I took the 802 out yesterday and drove it, and because it was thawing, left some good trail marks. But by today, all those trail marks are gone. It just kept thawing. So we're screwed. So I figured I would put the course back together and bring you guys along. A little bit weird, I didn't show you much of the actual building, but now, teddy bitch, you gotta move your booty. Come on, butts, move it. Move it. So I might as well be playing with the course if it's not going to snow and I don't need to plow. So here's my fancy getup for putting this course together and taking it apart. Oh, come on. Go around that handlebar. Okay, I guess I gotta go over there. Got a little stage fright. I don't know how this is gonna work. Ugh. There we go. Might as well use the four-wheeler some more. Okay. Around the handlebars. Up to the rack. Still on the handlebars. There we go. Come on. You guys all running is not filling me with confidence. There we go. That looks even. That's right up. Wow. I backed her in pretty good. Now, even her up. Wow. I won't be able to do that again. So where did my screws go? I know I sat them right where I could find them. Found the screw gun. Okay. And I also had finished up some bits that you guys haven't seen yet. So we'll get to show those. Straighten up you. There we go. Get to show you the new bits. Oh, I know it's exciting. I apologize. Oh, the other screws are on the other side. And that's why I try to push. Whoa. I keep it so I can push it further over so I can stand on this sidewall or the footwell. Oh, don't give me that crap. Oop, I have to push it on the other side a little bit. Bada bing, bada boom. You two settle down, you crazy boys. Tiberius and Teddy, my workshop boys. Aren't you? You my workshop boy? You missed all this while you were out running around. Okay, then this one. Boy, I left the screws in it. There's the other screw over there. Okay. Try, and that's the joy of using the whiteboard, is then I can find my holes better. It's so camouflaged I can't find it. Okay, and oh, crapola. Gotta get this other step. Nice, found the hole right off the bat. Okay, what did I do with my other screws? Oh man. Okay. Oh wow, there might just be the one other screw. That one's lined up. This way, since because of your guys' comments, I made sure that I also, I think we're going to have to put the step in first. Because I listened to you guys, I have to get it lined up good because the other side where the stairs are, okay, how is it? Oh, I guess it was this far. Okay. Where the stairs were, on the other side, they had to be, those had to be nailed down. So, that one is my only potential hiccup. Is getting those nail holes back in. But this, because of this setup, everything locks in pretty tight. So this actually is kept. It keeps this guy from sliding out. It seems a little weird. So that keeps that tight. That's tight. And now we can put the nails back in. If I can find the holes, there they are. Oh, there's heat again. Okay. There's that guy. Oh, was that the only thing I didn't grab? So this, it ended up with my crazy mind going and your guys' good ideas. This turned into a pretty efficient little course. I gotta clean it off now because it needs new foliage because all my foliage died. Which I hope this warm weather didn't wake everybody up. So this guy you've already seen. This goes in here just for the ambiance in small vehicles. I just got really lazy and made a little camo part, just trying to clean up some of the the extra bits, and just because I eventually, want to make this a multi-purpose course, I made this piece that goes in here, like that. So if I want to drive the 18s or whatnot, now I've got some extra area, and this is just scrap crap thrown together with some sweet texture on it. Where did I do this guy? And the brake cable for the four-wheeler holds this one in place, but it also buries itself in the area. So I've got more camouflaged area. I've got an area where 18 scales can drive down here and then not be able to get up this at all. I don't know yet. I haven't tried any of this. This stuff was all stuff I built prior to the incident. That's what we're calling it now, the incident. But we've got that. This is mounted. This is all mounted down, and boom. Just like that, the course is back together, and let's go, woo. Look at we'll get some more foliage back, but now we've got a lot more surface area to use. Everything on it, there's my dead spot, but because some of you guys talked about the roads being smooth, they've got more lumps in them, so you're still articulating. This road back here, not as much. I did one before I ran out, but now we can get back to getting the course lined out. Well, and look it took 12 minutes. That is pretty impressive to me that I came up with an idea and it worked out this well. So now that you've seen some of the new stuff, let me know if you've got any more ideas that I might add to it. So that is all done and complete now, so that it'll go down that ramp, this ramp. They're both right there. I guess I can move that one. But let me know what you think. Let me know if you got any different ideas, maybe something I should add. Other than that, the next time you see this course, we're going to be talking about the first round of contenders for the Versus Challenge Volume 2. Talk to you later.